In this video, let's do the unboxing of the talk of the town, the Realme 7. Before we go to our main course, let's take a good look on these freebies, which Realme has offered. Realme continuously updates its product portfolio from time to time, and even though the gap between releases of devices that belong to the same series is relatively short, the young mobile brand still able to find success with every outing. The Realme 7 in 8GB, 128GB is available for 13,990 Philippine pesos, offline through Realme stores nationwide and online through Lazada. The Realme 7 has some pretty big shoes to fill, and it's time to see how much it has actually improved over the Realme 6. The Realme 7 brings in 3 main upgrades: a new SoC, a bigger battery, and a new primary camera sensor. Let's see if these upgrades are enough to make it worth recommending. The Realme 7 aesthetics belong to the new series. It has a similar mirror space back design as the Realme 7 Pro, which is less bold than the previous generation, yet still elegant. Color-wise, the one we have is the mist blue, and the other option is mist white. The positions of the ports and buttons are the same as the Realme 6, including the side-mounted fingerprint sensor that also doubles as the power key. Under the hood, the Realme 7 is powered by the latest MediaTek Helio G95 gaming chipset with a 2.05 GHz Octa-core CPU and ARM Mali-G77 MC4 graphics. In fact, it is the world's first device to yield the said silicon chip. It is then paired with 8GB of RAM to ensure multitasking and 128GB of internal storage with an option to expand using the dedicated micro SD card to provide more than enough space for apps, games, and files. As for the retail package, Realme 7 is consistent with its yellow box, as well as the contents inside. Of course, we have the unit, the usual documents, a SIM ejector tool, the 30 watts dart charge power adapter, USB Type-C cable, and a free clear case. The Realme 7 and Realme 6 have the same rear camera setup. However, the Realme 7 uses the Sony Imx682, while the Realme 6 uses the Samsung GW1. In the front, like Realme 6, have a single 16MP selfie snapper. The Realme 7 runs on the Realme UI 1.0, which is based on Android 10. The Realme 7, like Realme 6, have the same 6.5-inch IPS punch-hole display with FHD Plus resolution, 90 Hz refresh rate, and topped with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for protection. It has a 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution, which results in aspect ratio of 20:9. The Realme 7 comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery with 30 watts Dart charge support, which fully charge the device in about an hour. If we were to nitpick, we just wish a better construction than plastic. The camera is also in need of a software update. And lastly, it would be nice to see a stereo speaker setup on this thing. With its 90 Hz screen, 30 watts fast charging and competent performance, the Realme 7 is no exception, an excellent, affordable smartphone at a great price.
Ayun mga sir ma'am, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Hopefully, may naitulong ako sa inyo. At kung kayo bago sa channel na to, maaari kayong mag-subscribe at pakiclick na rin yung notification bell sa baba para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga video uploads. Paano mga sir ma'am? Till next time!